ओके अनिला, सबसे पहले बहुत बहुत स्वागत है आपका।
थैंक यू।
अनिला, सबसे पहले हमें बताइए कि आपका जो शो है वो आपको कैसे मिला, हाउ यू केम ऑन बोर्ड, और थोड़ा सा उस बारे में बताइए हमें।
So my show, it's called Mera Desh Bulaye Re. It's airing on DD Kisan, and I bagged this role very in a very peculiar way because I was in touch with the producer, and he's been a friend of mine for quite some time. It's been a year. And I knew he was coming up with a show, and I'd never thought that I'd be doing a lead character. I always thought that because I've just started off my journey as an actor, it's just been an year, and I've done quite some good shows. I've done Aladdin, I've done Vignaharta Ganesha on Sony, and that is when I told this friend of mine that I'd like to be a part of it. I don't know what character do I fit in, but then suddenly after lockdown I get a call from him saying that this is the character for you, and it's a lead character. And I was just on cloud 9, considering that I've backed this character, and it was a very beautiful feeling for me. And yeah, so I'm doing this character called Mansi or Macy, who is an NRI chick. She's from America, and she's dating this guy called Karan, who's playing the lead of the show. And Karan offers Mansi to come to India for the first time. And after 15 years, she's come to India, and she wants to explore India. She wants to know more about India. And that is when we realize that we've stepped in the country, but the family is not quite accepting, because यहाँ पे already एक लड़की है. It's a typical Swades, that Shahrukh Khan's movie Swades. उसकी टिपिकली स्टोरी है जहाँ पे एक लड़की ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे प्यार में पागल है, और फिर वो देखती है कि एक नई लड़की आ जाती है, and the family is not accepting initially, but my motive is very clear. I know that I am here to be and support Karan, and Karan, when he comes, his father has a lot of dreams for him, क्योंकि उन्होंने उसको भेजा है वहाँ पर अमेरिका में कृषि वैज्ञानिक की स्टडी करने के लिए, एंड टू स्टडी एग्रीकल्चर. And Mansi also, she is the owner of a fertilizer company. Her father owns a fertilizer company, and he's working in my company. And when I come to India, the father wants Karan to be here. He wants Karan to, you know, help all the farmers, and जो भी farmers problem face कर रहे हैं आजकल इंडिया में, उससे ही relating we are doing the show, considering कितनी problems face करता है एक farmer. So that is how the show is going on, and apart from me helping out Karan with all the problems जितनी भी farmers face कर रहे हैं, there is also a love triangle that is happening. And so there's a lot of drama, there's lots of emotion, and I think there is spice to this entire drama. It's something huge for DD Kisan. The way we've shot it, the way the entire team has been, it's been a beautiful journey so far, and it's already on air, and I am getting quite an amazing response, and we are expecting an extension also for the show. So it's I think a wonderful journey so far.
So what compliment you are getting for your character?
सो आई थिंक मुझे ज़्यादा मेहनत नहीं करनी पड़ी इस कैरेक्टर के लिए. आई थिंक I would be proud to say that I think I was meant to do this role. I was for this role because this comes very naturally to me. Considering मैं दिल्ली से हूँ, तो मेरा वो एक typically NRI accent भी है, plus मेरी हिंदी बहुत अच्छी है. So it was a infusion of the character solely being mine. So character wise और जो compliments मुझे मिल रहे हैं, they are very very positive, and people are literally acknowledging the character, and they're like, this is you, this is meant to be you. So I think nobody could have done justice to this character than me. I feel that.
Right. So tell us about your journey. Like, you have done Aladdin and few more shows before. So how was your journey has been?
So I've been in this industry for past 10 years, but acting was something that I never wanted to focus on. I've been a theater performer since school. I've been a very active member in co-curricular activities. And when I came to I come from a medical family, so I'm the only one who stepped into this industry, and I never knew that what my journey is gonna be like. So initially, when I started working here, I had no clue what am I supposed to work in. I started off as an AD, and like after gradually I got to know that my inclination is towards costumes. So I got into styling, and I've been an independent stylist. My last project was for Sanjay Leela Bhansali called Man Bairagi as a stylist. And then last within a year, I think everybody kept pushing me, and because I know so many people now in the industry, all the creatives, they used to always bag me a character, anything, matlab tu kar, tu ye character kar. So I just got that confidence that maybe I can pull it off as an actor. And I've been a theatre artist. I've done plays with Shabana Azmi, and I've been a member of IPTA. So I've done plays for MS Satyu ji, Garam Hawa, jo jinki Garam Hawa thi. So yeah, this is how my journey's been, and now past an year is the only time I've been focusing only on acting, and I've managed to bag this huge character.
So which job is easier or difficult, styling or acting?
I think both the jobs are extremely difficult. They are very competitive. Nowadays, the industry has become so competitive. We really have to struggle in each arena. बहुत difficult है. Styling कहो तो वो भी easy नहीं है. To style different characters pertaining to their bodies, it is not an easy task. And when it comes to acting, it's absolutely not easy. It looks very glam out there, that you to present yourself like that, but it's actually not an easy task at all.
Right. As an actor, who inspires you?
I think as I said, that my passion was never to be an actor, and now that within a year I've been in this field and I am giving my shot, I have never idolized any actor as such, but yes, we say that these legends, Amitabh Bachchan, or we say Shah Rukh Khan, or we say Salman Khan, they're all, I think, somebody we've grown up looking at. So I think that they are the people I would look up to.
Right. Any dream character you wanna play in future?
I think I'm a very I have this persona in me where I always have this imaginary story going around myself. I think I want to say this today, that I've never done this before, and when I sat here, this is something I think I've been affirmating for quite some time. मैंने ये affirmations बहुत पहले करती थी कि when people say you're a bathroom singer, you're a bathroom dancer, I think I used to keep affirmating these speeches, these interviews. I would always know what to say. So that's the thing for me.
Right. Also, web series का बहुत सारा trend चल रहा है, तो how much you are open for web series and the short films and
I
sort of
think for web series, I haven't really given it a thought, because considering today's time, a lot of bold content is required. Every aspect of it has some or the other element of bold in it. And I think I've not reached that comfort zone as of now. I really want to focus on TV, because I know TV, the mainstream is moving to OTT, but then let's see, whatever comes my way, I'm definitely in for it.
So any of your upcoming project after this?
So we are hoping for an extension of this show itself.
Wow.
Moreover, I am being pitched a lot of shows from mainstream channels. So let's see what comes my way after this.
Okay. Thank you so much. And all the
Thank
best.
you.